You may or may not have seen my recent video, 6-gun air conditioners blitz, best defense. While editing that video, I realized I had made a mistake and asked if anyone could see what it was. Nobody got it. I went back to correct it. Today I'm sharing my opinion theory on why different manufacturers
Welcome
use
back to
different
Kung Fu
wiring
Maintenance,
colors.
where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Different manufacturers use different wiring colors, so I just wanted to give my bit of a theory on it. I think it's like a proprietary thing. I think it's a way of them saying that they didn't just take the
Engineering and or design
from somebody else. So it seems that many different manufacturers use different colors. This one's a Maytag unit, and it's got a blue wire for the fan, a brown wire for the, an orange and yellow wire for the common, and a red wire for the Herm. Contrasted with something like a Goodman, where you've got red for the red and violet for the common, brown for the fan, and yellow for the Herm. So they're all different. You have to check your wiring diagram. It's a good idea, especially when you're working with something different. It's a good double check just to verify you've got everything where it's supposed to go. This one I had made a mistake on, and put it in the video to see if anyone could find what my mistake was, but nobody got it. Anyway, different wiring diagrams.
I hope soon to be compiling a list of different manufacturers' colors with wiring diagrams, and just to show the different colors that different manufacturers use, because it can make it pretty tricky when they start reversing which color is which. But again, I think they do this to protect and to say that they didn't just copy somebody else's engineering design, and the colors is a simple way to suggest that it's different. So that's my theory on that. I could be wrong. Anyone else with some inside knowledge on that? Any comments in the comment section below would be cool. And what wiring colors are you seeing out there on the manufacturers that you're serving? If you want to leave that in the comments below, I think that'd be pretty cool too. Everybody can learn from what we're seeing out there. For make and model, common, Herm, and fan wire colors. So tightening down the incoming wires, tightening them all down, and tightening down the ground screw. I don't think this is something you need to do necessarily every year on a new install. I think I would do it again after the first year of the new install, and then I would say about once every 5 years, every 3 to 5 years. And where possible, checking the disconnect fuses to make sure that the fuses themselves are tight in the disconnect. Going through, you have to take precautions not to over tighten things as well. You can strip screws or you can break contactors by over tightening, but tightening these all down about once every 5 years, and tightening the disconnect wires about once every 5 years.
All right, it's the 52nd unit today. After this, be careful on this one. All right, and the ground screw. There we go. Now all I gotta do is put all the covers back on. That's a done deal. Whew, getting warm.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.